everyone, and welcome back to Rain City. The final episode, the grand finale. Hold on to your hats. Hold on to your souls. I cannot go that way. Okay. I can already tell this finale is going to go off without a hitch. And there she is. There's my sister. She's asleep. Oh well, she was always hella into it when oh no, don't make it cute. She was always hella into it when I got into her while she was sleeping. Seriously, she actually kind of asked for it once. It was a bit you know what I mean? Leah, get up now. I'm here to save you. I might be able to get up if I taste that caffeine-filled dick. My sister is already too weak. Perfect. She was into that as well. To talk, she must not have eaten in days. She was always a masochist, my sister. I'd say she probably did that on purpose. The core of the controller is broken. It must be replaced with a new one. Bruh. Okay, I get it. Oh, she wants some snackos. Here. Yo, eat the snacks. Brother, are you really my brother? Oh, sorry, I should do the girl voice. Brother? What's the girl voice? Brother, is that really you, brother? I'm so glad to see you again. Do me! Did you fall into that old dog's trap too? What should we do? We're both stuck in here. Now stick into me! No, I missed what you said. I'll give you this. I think it might help you with something. I'm exhausted, so I'm going to take a break. Yo, thanks, Queen. It was 168B. That 168B. Dude, I can't believe I remembered that. And then I get this mad helmet. Bruh, okay, so I just need a core now. Try to fix that excavator. I'm going to rest. Please don't interrupt me again. Even if I'm into it. I genuinely need to rest this time. Okay, girl, I'ma head out. Your brother's gonna save the day. Your dictator brother's gonna save the day. Yeah, I'm gonna make this guy regret ever trying to kidnap you for his girlfriend. Yo, I'm going in. Much like I will after I get my sister recovers. Going up. Nice. The pizza. Okay, who's this chap? Who's this fine chap? Can I talk to him? No, fine. Fine, whatever, bro. I do know I need to go in here, though. Itch place black. I can't see anything. Use your black light. It's just splattered jizz all over the place. Whoa. Not even me and my sister with that. Dude, I'm so funny. I'm pretty sure... Do I need to talk to the guy first before I can do this? Because he runs it over, right? And I get a mad key out of it. Yo, get back here, boy. Dude. Key? Key! Key in the house. What you got? What you got? You met my father. Is he doing well? I want to leave here too. The work environment here is atrocious. Plus the CEO is cheap and cruel. I don't care if we're actually physically changing the weather. Like the CEO is just kind of a dick. I've tried to secretly escape, but the security is too strict. Only the CEO has the key to the elevator that goes to the ground. Are you searching for the operation core for the drill machine? That's expensive equipment. The operation... Oh, yeah, okay. For the drill machine, that's expensive equipment. There's one in the CEO's office, but it's perilous, so think again. You might be able to escape if you use that drill machine. However, if you take out its core, the entire factory system will shut down. The CEO will notice immediately, and it would be grim if we were to get angry with you. If he were to get angry with you.
Bro, that sounds grim as hell.
Oh, that's right. I remember. Going over here. Run, cat boy. Run, cat. Oh, I'm being approached. There's no way the CEO below. There's a way to invite the CEO below ground. I think you can take the core if you do that. But could you take me out of here? I've had it already. Return to the room from before and drive the car here. After that, I'll tell you what to do next. But the car key fell somewhere. You need to find it first. You drive the car here, thanks. Alright, so... the key fell somewhere. I think it was up here. Yes, okay, so I get in here. Squinky, squinky. And I've got a handle. I've got a handle on the situation. Okay. I don't regret making that joke. Actually, I should have made the joke more. Okay. Where does this go, though? Oh, man. Oh, hang on, I can go further back. There's got to be something back here, right? Boom, 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 boom. There it is. I remember now. Bruh. I'm the most intelligent person. See, there's the key. The key to my heart. Please don't use it too frequently. Oh, sorry, I gotta put his cap on. Yo, cat boy with no cap. No cap. Dude, get in the fucking water.
No! I want to get wet.
Bro, your girlfriend / sister is waiting for you, man. You got this. Okay. No, do not go back in the water. So I've got the key now. I can start up the machine. Get in there, cat boy. Bro, let's rampage. I'm not going to be doing much rampaging at this speed, am I? Come on. That's the car. That's the car noises. That's not natural noises that I make. Hey, have you seen the latest Pokemon? Wonderful. How did you find the key? It was a pretty good episode. How did you find the key? Then follow me. Bro, I'm following you. I want to show you my Pokemon collection. Okay, man, this doesn't seem like the best time for it, but sure. Like, what the hell have I got to lose at this point? Think I have dignity? Fuck that shit. Hang tight here with when the CEO comes. Go in and take the core. Once you take it, go back the way you came. I'll be waiting for you at the pond. Okay. I'm excited to wait for the CEO. Yo, my man lit the car on fire. And that attracted the CEO. It attracted the weird guy from the roof. Bro, with this new core, I'll finally be able to get the drill going. Let's go. I'ma head out. Hey chap, how's it going? I'm leaving, bye.
My car! That was literally actually a fortune.
Okay, I'm going in. Dude, why did you do that? Okay. Water. I'm gonna go for a swim in the water. Going up. 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 Hey. You were late. I got sick of waiting for you. You're fun. How did I dive here? Don't worry, such details. Let's hurry to the drill machine. Dude. I love working. I love that you're my accomplice. Hell yeah. Dude, I get to see my sister again. Hey. Try to fix the excavator. I'm going to rest. Bitch. Rest already. God.
Haha! Yup!
Drill. So I'm gonna do with my sister later. Is everything still recording well? Yes. Let's keep this going. Yo, everything's on fire. Jesus Christ, I did not expect this game to end in fire. Okay, come on. We getting out of here. That was close. Let's get out of here in a jiffy. The fire might spread soon. Yeah, alright, Mum. Thanks for telling me what to do. Okay. We're currently in the factory chimney. If we climb up, we should be able to escape. Perfect. There's a repair robot. Let's board this and leave. What does my sister have to say? Hey, girl. Alright, let's board it. Not right now, God. It's just not the right situation for it. Sure, I've always had fantasies. Jump. 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 Oh no, oh shit. This is exactly not how I thought this game was gonna end. Yo, there he is. Annoying guy. Creepy old guy from the roof.
You went and destroyed my mine! Don't think you'll make it out of this alive! I won't let you go despite all!
Okay. Okay, King. Why can I not see? Okay, let's get that propane tank. Do I just drop it? Eat propane. Dude, what are you doing? Jump. He's coming along with his unbelievably frightening blade machine. His traumatically frightening blade machine. No, that is not a good... No. I cannot die. That's not great for me. That's just not cool. That didn't need to happen. Drop. Oh my god. Are these hitting him? What the hell? I'm the greatest person. I'm like...
Okay. Alright, just take it chill. Alright, that one was just destined to hit me. That one was not. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause this episode. Alright, I'm back. It's actually the next day now. It was really late when I was filming. And I was like, yo, you know what I mean? I don't want that. I don't want to be doing this at it's like 11 o'clock at night or something like that. And so I'm like, yo, I'll just come back tomorrow. And I'm currently in a pretty good position, if I do say so myself. It gets instantly hurt. Are you kidding me? God, I jinxed myself. Why did I do that? Okay. Get out of there. Get the last propane tank. This one's it. This is it. It's one all. Drop it. Get protection. Hey, yo! I got him! That's right. Burn, motherfucker. You annoying bitch. Yo, and they exit the burning factory. This is not like the direction I thought this game would go. Yeah, we finally escaped. The fire is steadily burning. Let's get out of here now. Let's ride the CEO's helicopter from the airstrip over there. I want to try riding it. It's the coolest. Really? You've already ridden it? Well, whatever. I'll explain later. Let's hurry and go.
You are so brave. Let's have sex right now.
That wasn't her voice, was it? That wasn't his voice either. I don't fucking remember. That was yesterday. You think I'm supposed to remember shit that from yesterday?
Brother, let's board the plane quick.
I'll board you quick. Smash subscribe if you would board my sister. And yo, this is feeling like the finale. Or whatever. Yeah, I mean, that was the end. I loved this game. Don't get me wrong, like, that last boss battle was a little frustrating. The controls were really hard to use, and but that was okay because a lot of the problems that I faced during that boss battle were largely my fault. It was only the controls that were a little bit janky. But aside from that, I adored this game. I loved the art style. I loved the characters. It's great. I loved it a lot. It was really, really good. Huge shout out to the creators of the game. I'm trying to read but I can't figure this stuff out. Just, yes. Huge shout out to Render Inc., man, for publishing this game. Huge shout out to the executive producer, Naofumi Shioya. The producer, Hiroyuki Matsuzawa. The visual artist, Riki Ogura. I'm sorry about these name butcherings. Shout out to the marketing by Chizuru Makita. The localization studio, Dreamcat and Jinko An. And Nicole Miri Everett and Yoshitaka Maki. Coordinator, Coraline Zowan. There we go. Huge shout out to all those people. You did a really good job. This game fucking slapped. And yeah. I'm going to hit you with the annoying smash subscribe joke thing now. So let me do that. Yo, smash that subscribe right now for cats. Watch all my videos as well. Every single one of them. Watch this whole series. There's a playlist. Or at least there should be. I haven't actually created the playlist currently. Because I only just released the second episode. But I'm going to create the playlist once I've released the third. I feel like that's kind of the right number for a playlist. Anyway, yo, smash subscribe, watch all my videos. Huge shout out to everyone involved in this game. Bye. I love you. Bye.